So Nandan is into special projects. We make design, manufacture, install and supply of specialized equipment that are used in aviation, defense, aerospace and material handling systems. So a lot of them are bespoke. So that means every project is different. We have a start date. Normally the end date is a difficult one to get in. A lot of people, internally there'll at least be 8 or 9 people, and then external there'll be a lot of people. So confusion is the name of the game at what happens. So if it is fewer number of projects and there is a skilled orchestra conductor, which could be like an experienced guy at the top, it still makes it easy to function. That's how we've done it for the last 30 years. But it takes up a lot of owners' bandwidth. So we took a
Right.
decision that we wanted to simplify that. So setting up a PPC department was one, which was project planning and control. And while doing that, it again became very tough because we were using multiple tools, many Google Sheets, Excels, creations, ERP. So too many confusions.
Right.
And we've been there, done that. I've tried all the tools that are there in the market. We got onboarded onto SmartTask almost 4 years ago. So I've seen
Yeah.
various versions of your tool. We tried it for a bit, then we stopped. We said we're going to go back to ERP. We tried ERP, then again we came back to SmartTask. And what I see is there's a lot more clarity, at least. I believe a problem written down is 50% solution. So at least that's happening. We created some algorithms by which we're able to do the focus so that visibility is seen.
Wow. Okay.
We started making up escalation matrices so that we created a few custom fields, visible reports, dashboards, kind
Yeah.
of portfolios, etc. And then of course porting this to go back to simplified dashboard in Google Sheets. So today we exactly know how to pull up the data when we want to review.
Yeah.
So three things have happened. Number one, I think reviews have become stronger because people can run out of excuses anymore. Number two is we are able to get through to a little quantification in terms of numbers. So the key performance indicators are tracked on percentage wise, money wise, etc. So if rather than somebody just saying this material is not there, we are trying to say, okay, so how much money do you need for that? So as you
Mm.
keep adding that up, you come to a certain quantum, which is then able to help, get it done. Number three is there is a constant log, at least that is maintained now. Data on WhatsApp and data on email is very difficult to track. This is all in one
Mm.
place in the system. So if you
Right.
ask me, I think my team has become at least about 20% efficient at problem solving. And we are in the right process, I believe. And in some time, I wish that the amount of WhatsApp messages goes down to half than what
Yeah.
it is today. Because today, a lot of discussion and interaction is not on the Gemba, is not in the conference room, but on WhatsApp. And
Right.
messages tend to get lost.
Absolutely.
So we are looking to see how SmartTask can help us to get that further. We are part of the journey where we've given a commitment to do a long-term engagement with SmartTask. And I think the team, technical team, as well as the commercial team, and I think most importantly, Shamal's presence, WhatsApp call away. So whenever we write, even if his team doesn't respond, I know that your response comes back within an hour or two, which I think
Yeah.
is the kind of stuff that is there. I've used the best of the best tools like Monday.com, Asana, and Zoho, etc. So we've used a lot of your competitor tools, which are the best of the best in their own way. Of course, price is what you pay, value is what you get. They're also more expensive for the enterprise versions. So I think I'm quite happy with the price point at which SmartTask is rolling out enterprise level software into Indian MSMEs, and more importantly, hand-holding them and trying to get the culture changed so that instead of just a WhatsApp, let's park it into a project, and then let's try to solve them in a certain way.
Right.
So I'm looking forward to Nandan being a more efficient organization with support from SmartTask.